Today, we're diving into the world of the Ninja AMZ493BRN compact kitchen system. A powerhouse in your kitchen with its 1,200 watts of performance power and 3 versatile functions for smoothies, dough, and frozen drinks. This compact system features a 72-ounce blender pitcher, a 40-ounce processor bowl, and an 18-ounce single-serve cup, all designed to cater to your culinary needs. With its powerful crushing capability, the stacked blade assembly and high-performance Pro Extractor blades make light work of frozen ingredients and ice. The food processing capabilities are enhanced by a 5-cup precision processor bowl, complete with chopping and dough blade assemblies, offering added versatility. Thanks to Auto IQ technology, you can take the guesswork out of drink making with intelligent programs that combine unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns. For those on-the-go moments, blend directly in the single-serve cup and attach the spout lid to take your creations with you. Plus, with BPA-free, dishwasher-safe parts and a 15-recipe inspiration guide, this kitchen system is as convenient as it is innovative. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.